Hi guys, this is Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be preparing Romanian sweet bread with chocolate and walnuts. So please stay with me to see the ingredients and the way to prepare it. So let's get started. In a bowl of a mixer, I have prepared 1 kilogram of bread flour, to which I'm going to add 14 grams of dried yeast. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. On the top of it, I'm going to add 7 egg yolks, to which I added a pinch of salt and I mix them well. The salt is to enhance the yolk's color. So I'm going to add it on the top of the flour. 200 grams of sour cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon of lemon essence, 1 teaspoon of orange essence. I have here the zest of 1 lemon and 1 orange. I'm gonna add it to 250 grams of sugar. I'm gonna add it here. 50 grams of melted butter. In here I have soaked 150 grams of raisins in some milk with rum, and I'm going to pour some of this milk. Here also I have extra around 300 milliliters of milk, but I don't know if I'm going to use it all, maybe around 200 or 250. I'm going to lower the mixer and start kneading at a lower speed. I'm going to knead for 30 minutes. Slowly, I'm going to add in the milk. After 30 minutes of kneading, I oiled a different bowl, to which I'm going to transfer the dough. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, I am going to prepare the filling, and for that I have put in the bowl of the mixer 5 egg whites, to which I'm going to add 150 grams of sugar. And first I'm going to beat this. In here I'm going to add 30 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of rum essence, and I'm gonna mix this a little bit. And in here I'm going to add 400 grams of crushed walnuts. And this is the filling. After 30 minutes, I am going to take the dough out of the bowl and knead it a little bit by hand for around 5 minutes. Before that, I want to mention that I did not use all the milk, all the 300 milliliters I have prepared here. You just look at the dough consistency and adjust the liquid amount. Now I'm going to use some oil. I'm going to take the dough out, and I am just going to fold it like this for about 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna put it back and let it raise for about 1 hour. After 5 minutes of kneading by hand, I'm going to put the dough back in the bowl. I'm gonna cover it and let it rise for 1 hour. After an hour, this is how much the dough has risen. Now I'm going to oil the work surface and I'm going to take out the dough. I'm going to stretch the dough. Now I'm going to add the filling and some raisins. From the raisins I previously soaked in milk with a little bit of rum. Also, you can add some Turkish delight if you have. Now I'm going to roll this side. And I'm gonna make another one. I finished rolling and now I'm going to braid them. And I'm going to place them in the tray, just like this. Now I'm going to continue to finish the dough and then I'm going to let them rise for another 30 minutes. I have here 1 egg yolk with 2 teaspoons of milk and I'm going to brush the rolls. Now, on one of them, I'm going to sprinkle some poppy seeds. And on the other, I'm going to sprinkle some granulated sugar. You can use also a bigger grain sugar. And from place to place, I'm going to add some walnuts because I love the taste of toasted walnuts. And now I'm going to put them in the preheated oven at 160 degrees for around 50 to 60 minutes or until they are golden brown on the top. After the bread cooled down, I cut it to see the inside. This is how it looks like. It's filled with raisins and cocoa and walnuts. It is very tasty. It smells wonderfully too. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and I hope I'll see you soon again. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!